Yeah, I was thinking I could do, since though it's part of a university and learning, that we could do a WB Yeats poem. Maybe that might be nice. And the one he said was, the one he always tried to do at the beginning was the Lake Isle of Innisfree. So might do that one if that's of interest. Yeah. So this is WB Yeats was in London, and so the story goes he was missing home or Ireland, and he was on the grey streets, and he was thinking of. He saw a fountain in a window, and the fountain reminded him of the kind of rivers in Sligo, so in Innisfree. So this is his kind of escapism kind of thing, you know. So here it is. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the Bíodh glade. I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings there. Midnight's all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings. Rise and go now, for always night and day. I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore, while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey. I hear it in the deep heart's core. Yeah, I always stick to his lyrics exact, because there's a lyricism to what he does. He always said that he was writing for the ear, not for the page, as it were, you know. So.